Hello everybody, this is Martin Jedra. I'm Zen Certified Engineer and Oracle Certified Professional, MySQL developer. And recently I've developed a C# application for my school project. And the application is called Database Manager and phpclasses Generator. And basically it does what it says. First of all, you have to get a serial number. The serial number, you can get it from this URL. And of course this software is totally free, so you can just get the serial number just pressing this button, and here it's going to be displayed, and then download from this link. Okay, so since I've already downloaded the software and installed it, I'm just going to run the application. Okay, I've also registered it. Close the window. And you're not going to see this screen when you're going to launch this application. Actually, you're going to have some information that you have to provide settings information. And when you're going to fill all these gaps, you're going to press Save and Connect, and you're going to see this panel. And then you can provide FTP settings connection. Okay, I have to provide these settings connections. Let's see if the folder exists. Oh, it doesn't exist, so I'm just going to create it. Let's save it. Let's see if something's popped up. Okay, connection established, and let's see if it creates something. Okay, here is a file that contains information about license information. Now, it's not your serial number, it's just a general public license. Okay, so first thing you're going to do now is create a database, or use an already created database. I'm just going to create a new one, refresh it, CMS database, and I'm going to create a table, articles. Okay, refresh it, articles. Now let's design the structure. ID, auto-incremented. Okay, refresh it, column title. It cannot be null. Refresh it, and text. Oh. Okay, this structure is going to be relatively simple. So I'm just going to create another table that's going to be called users. Why am I creating these two tables? Just to show you that when you're working in projects and actually using the software, you're working with a project, not one project but multiple projects on different tables, and that's why you're going to need two tables here. Now users, let's make it ID, and we're going to just make it again auto-incremented, just two fields. User and login. Should be password, maybe better. Who cares? Okay. Okay. There was something wrong with my syntax. It didn't create it. Probably I didn't specify the var character size. Okay, let's make it again login var character 260. Okay. Yes, I didn't provide the size. Now, okay, there's also error logs, so you can see all the things that are wrong with your application. As you can see, I have already a big error log since I've been working on this application a pretty long time. Now I'm going to go back to the designer. Of course, you can add all the columns, delete all the columns again. You can add data to the column. Let's refresh it. ID login, add new column data, login, Tomek. Submit data. Submit data, and let's close it. Yes, here it is, articles, add new data, title, and article, submit, close it. Now you can also export data to, first of all, let's refresh the data. This is only one article, but you can export a lot of information, like here, to XML. Let's see the XML that generated. Here it is. It's quite big. Let's go back. Now, let's go back to our database and our table, and let's try to generate some PHP code. Okay, so here it is, the main form of this application. We're going to call it article, and we're going to create an index file. You can provide all this information if you want to. I'm not going to do this. Authorized class. I'm going to save it. You can make the application multilingual. I'm going to save it here. And what it does, you will create a file for each script that contains all the parameters in brackets, and you can create a lot of language sites thanks to this. I'm just going to go back, call it article, And let's change all the types. Okay, so is the key field. This one's going to be title text area 60 text. This one is not supposed to be visible. Okay, I guess it's okay. Let's save the project. Here it is, classes. Okay, the classes have been created. Let's see the form. Yeah, it works. Now let's go back. Let's create the users. Now, okay, it remembers all the things. Great. So because I launched this application before and the form has been created by me before, so just let's save it. And we do have users. Now we do have all these things and we want to upload the file. And since I didn't provide my URL in the settings tab, it's going to just display an empty site. Actually, it shows this address. I'm going to go back. Okay, database. I'm going to show you that this application generates really big forms, so you can it's really easy to manage. Let's get here. Let's see this design. The design is pretty awesome. Let's go to PHP code generator. Now this one's going to be really big, and you can really generate really big forms and scripts that can manage it. Just saving the project and uploading it to server. Okay, so is that it? I guess. Okay, so if you have any questions, or if you would like some more information, or you're interested in developing this application or the code, please contact me. I'm here. You can by clicking this button, or just finding me on LinkedIn. It's Martin Jedra. Or just contact me by Facebook. I hope you had a lot of fun watching this, or a little bit.